Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert DNG to the JPG option in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Then edit the photo however you like it. Use the given toolbars to edit the photo. After editing the photo, tap onto the share button at the top right corner. Then here you can find the option of export as. Now select it. Now you can see the file type is in the DNG. Now tap onto it and simply select the JPG file option. Now you can see the photo has been changed into JPG. And now simply save the photo to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.